SEEDS2OIL, Comfort Cold Press Oil Maker. We bring you the most wanted kitchen queen, Comfort Cold Oil Press. Switch on the power switch. The red light will glow. The machine is now asking us to choose the temperature as per user manual. Now, choose the temperature as per the user manual or instruction stickers. Once we have selected the temperature, press this run button and wait for few minutes.
Feed a handful of seeds for starting.
Now, put a handful of seeds in the machine. The machine is crushing the seeds into oil. And then, fill the hopper with the available seeds. Once the hopper is empty, refill it again. Give 15 minutes rest to the machine after every 2 hours of usage to extend the life of wearing parts. And once the crushing is completed, press stop button once to stop the machine. Machine will reverse for self-cleaning. For further self-cleaning, press pause button twice. When the crushing process is completed, remove this chamber with the help of this tool, rotating clockwise. Wearing the glove, slowly take off the screw chamber from the machine. After every use, remove the screw and the chamber for cleaning when it is still hot. If cooled, boil the screw and the chamber in water and then clean it. Use the brush for cleaning inside, especially the chamber neck. And when both the screw and chamber are clean, and fix them in the respective area like this by rotating anti-clockwise. Done. Your machine is ready for the next use.